Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So DJI has just launched the brand new Osmo Action 5 Pro, and I am actually really excited about this camera. If you're a regular to my channel, you know that the Action 4 has been my go-to action camera for the past year, and the Action 5 brings some really nice new upgrades. Now this is just a quick unboxing video. We're going to take a look at the new equipment. By the time you're watching this video, I've already uploaded my full review video, so you can definitely go and check that out. I will include a link to it down in the description of this video. The other thing we're going to be taking a look at here is the multifunctional charging handle. As you can see, it is a battery handle that can feed power into your Osmo Action, giving you extended filming. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at it. I'm going to be doing some thorough testing with it, and I'll make a different separate review about it later on. This is the Adventure combo, so it comes with the extension rod, 3 batteries, and the charging case. So with all that said, let's just get into everything here and take a quick look. We'll take a look at the accessory side first. You can see we have our standard magnetic mounts. These are the same magnetic mounts that were included with the Osmo Action 3 and 4, so they're all going to be intercompatible, which is really nice. We have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. We have some documentation, and then we have the new charging case with its new 4-hour batteries. Now, of course, 4 hours is going to depend on a lot of different factors: recording resolution, frame rate. Now we'll take out the camera. You can see we have the frame. This can be useful if you're going to be mounting your Action 5 vertically, or if you just want a little bit of extra drop protection. We have another magnetic mount. This one has some shorter fingers on it if that is what you need for a specific scenario. We have a curved sticky mount. We have 2 thumb screws, and we have these spacers. They can be attached to these types of finger mounts. If you have an older accessory that you just can't tighten up enough, you can put these spacers in there, and that usually solves that problem. And then over here we have the camera. So you can see it does look very similar. We still have that color temperature sensor built into the front there. And lastly, down in the bottom of the Adventure combo is the DJI extension pole. It's actually a pretty robust and versatile pole. There's a 1/4-20 on the bottom of it. Of course, we have finger mounts there at the top, and it has quite the reach on it, which can allow you to capture moments filming yourself while doing various activities. And for those who are curious, here is a side-by-side comparison. You can see they're pretty well identical when it comes to size. But I'm actually really glad that they didn't increase the size. I find some action cameras are getting a little big and bulky now, so it's nice that it's still a nice small form factor. So let's take a quick look at the charging handle. Got a couple components there, and we have the handle. So here is the charging handle here. You can see we have a USB-C connector. We have the DJI magnetic mount on the top. We have a record button. We have the quick switch button and a C button. We have a power button on this side. If we flip up this rubber door at the back, one really interesting thing that they've done here is that we've of course got our USB-C to recharge the handle, but we also have a microphone port. We have a fold-out tripod, and we have a 1/4-20 on the side there, and at the bottom we have a wrist strap, and we have a door. Now at this point, before I can use any of this, I do have to get the firmware updated. If you are purchasing it, you will have to connect it to the DJI Mimo app. There will be some firmware available for it. There might even be some firmware available for the handle. I do plan on covering this camera fully. Like I said, I've already uploaded a full review. You can go and watch that. But we're going to be doing a lot of comparisons and testing with it, different demonstrations, and lots of tutorials, including a beginner's guide, which will be uploaded shortly. Well, folks, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.